Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in Microsoft Excel. So it will state there was a problem with the clipboard and while you are trying to copy content from the spreadsheet. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First method is we can try to close any Excel processes or instances on our Windows. So before you can go on on closing the Excel instances, you need to make sure that you have saved all your spreadsheets or all your work in the Microsoft Excel. And then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type task MGR, which stands for Task Manager. Now simply click on that to open the Task Manager. Now here in the search bar, type Excel. You'll find Microsoft Excel. Simply make a right click and then select End Task. So once you have clicked on End Task, that will completely close any Excel instances or processes on your Windows. And after that, just try to see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we can restart the Excel application. So while you are on your Excel application, you just need to simply click on this close option right here at the top right corner. And then you have to open it again. Click on your work. And by that, you have just restarted the Microsoft Excel. So just try to see if the problem has been fixed. And for the next method is we can also use the Open and Repair tool, which is a built-in tool here in the Microsoft Excel. So you just have to click on this File tab at the top left corner, which is the very first tab there. Then here you'll find the third option, which is Open. Then you have to click on this Browse option, choose your spreadsheet or your work. Then you have to click on this drop-down arrow next to Open, which is the Tools. And then you have to click on this Open and Repair option. And this small window will appear. And you just have to simply click on this Repair option. And after that, just try to see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we can also disable the add-ins on our Microsoft Excel. In some cases, the add-ins can also cause any issues on the Excel. So click on this File tab again at the top left corner. Then you have to select More, select Options. Now this window will appear, which is the Excel option. So simply click on this add-ins. Then you'll find Manage. Click on this drop-down arrow and choose Excel add-ins. Click on this Go option. And just simply uncheck this box or do not check this box for this add-ins. Click on OK. And for the next method is we can also clear the clipboard history on our Windows. So we're just going to use the shortcut keys on our keyboard. So press the Windows key and the letter V together. And you'll find this window. So just simply click on this Clear All to clear the clipboard history on your Windows. So that's it. If any of these solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.